Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my own version of Filipino-style tinola fish. Let me show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use. For the aromatics, I have half a head of ginger. I also have half of a red onion, 1 white onion, and some green onions. I'm also adding some chilies. The amount of chilies is completely up to you. For seasoning, I have ground black pepper, pink salt, fish sauce, and 2 chicken cubes. For the vegetables, I have long beans, Malabar spinach, also known as alagbate, and moringa leaves, which we commonly call malunggay in the Philippines. I also have taro root, or gabi, and calabash, which is called opo. And of course, I have fish. First, I'm going to prepare my pot and bring some water to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to add my white onion and red onion. Next, I'm adding the ginger. After that, I'm going to carefully add the fish into the pot. Now I'm adding some ground black pepper for extra flavor. Next, I'm adding the green onions and chilies. Then, I'm going to add 2 chicken cubes. I'll give everything a gentle stir. Now, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of pink salt. Then, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I'm going to let the soup boil for around 5 minutes so the fish and all the seasonings can cook together and flavor the broth. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to add the taro root or gabi. I'll let the taro cook for about 5 minutes. Taro needs a little more time to become tender, so I like to add it before the other vegetables. Once the taro has cooked for a few minutes, I'm going to add the calabash or root. I'll let that cook for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm adding the long beans. I'll let the long beans cook for around 3 minutes. I still want the vegetables to have a little bit of texture, so I don't want to overcook them. Now, I'm adding the Malabar spinach, followed by the alonge leaves. These leafy vegetables cook pretty quickly, so I only need to let them simmer for about 3 minutes. Now, it's time to serve. If you enjoyed this cooking video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.